Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the brain stroke classification project. This is the complete dataset of the normal images. It contains the multiple images like 1000 plus images, and this is the complete CT scan images of the brain. Let's explore. Okay. These all are the images which we use for training the model. Okay, then open the stroke image. It contains the brain stroke of CT scan images. Let's scroll down. We train the model on that large data set of images that contain the stroke and the normal. Okay, and this training folder. These are the complete project folder. This is the testing images. Now open the collab file. This Jupyter notebook file, and it contains the loss and accuracy graph. Okay, thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.